Today, guys, I'm going to be seeing how much people I can save, and I've seen a lot. Bro, I don't know how many people are wearing that green avatar, but it is cursed. Look. This green avatar, I don't know how much people are wearing it. I've seen them in Grover Garden. Wear it, but now I'm going to walk to the station industry. Down here. Wait, push the noob. No, don't you dare! Don't you dare push the noob. Why is someone called Enderman? I'm not gonna make it. I'm recording, Mum. I know. Mum, every time when you walk in, you always interrupt. And I won't get much views then. I'd never get much views anyway. Go near it. What are you looking for?
I'm cleaning the room, so shut up.
Bro, how did I get run over? Oh, like 50 people got ran. I don't know how much people got rammed, but that was a lot of people got rammed there. Hopefully the train doesn't go straight in my face. Okay, so come over. Yo, you trying to push it? Yo, can you? You know, I'm going to your room then. Oh, I cannot sleep last night. Put the bacon here. Oh, ain't no what, the bacon here just on himself. Holy. The bacon here looked like he was frying though. Go. Okay, it says come a little closer. No. You're gonna hurt yourself. You hurt yourself because of you, dickhead. Jesus. Yo, bro done that himself. I walked onto the tracks on accident. I'm going the complete wrong way. Hold up, I think the train is coming. It's going to a beef jerky. John Joe. Oh, how did I get killed? Yeah, I just got ran over. La. Chicken. Steve loves chicken, yes, tasty as hell. Love a chicken. Yeah, it's tasty. Steve loves chicken, yes, tasty as hell. Everyone's singing Steve's Love Chicken. Why is everyone? Steve's Love Chicken, yes, tasty as hell. Oh, Mamacita. Oh my god, wait. Why is there a brick? Please don't run me over. You're gonna get like 50. Ooh, I think bro was trying to sing as well. Oh, when's the train coming? You get it. Oh, you know. Steve's Love Chicken, yes, tasty as hell. Oh, Mamacita, now you're bringing it back. Oh my god. Holy moly. Oh, Mama. Look. Dad. Look at this, Dad. Oh my god. Look. Look in the chat.
Oh, yeah.
I said the second part of it. I don't know. No, I'm gonna get run over by the tree. What are you doing? I need to get up. Please don't hit me. See, it's not a chicken. Yes, take this. Oh, Mamacita. I'm not saying Mamacita properly. I think the mouse is just Mamacita. He said Mamacita. Hold up, get me up. Put the noob. Oh! I keep getting rotten to the door. No. What are you doing? The bait. Oh. Heck no. Oh my god, she got rammed. You really think you can get me now, buddy? The train's not coming. You Santa Claus, actually no. It just wants us to get run over. I'm going down there. I think he's coming. Oh my god, bro, I broke my leg. How did you not get killed? Fuck you. Get out. I would have rotten you. Torch me people called for. No, thank you. No recording for you, only recording for me. Ooh. Go. Oh, how did I rotten myself? Oh, that's right. Fuck this. Ain't no way, bro. This is not. Kill myself. Oh. I really thought that would happen. Hey, get there. Yeah, I'm on the tracks. Whoa, holy moly. I'm not ready. Oh no, train's wrong way. Train's wrong. Oh, I was inside the train. Oh my god, I'm bent. I'd rather kill myself. Steve loves chicken, yes, tasty as hell. Oh, now you're ringing. Oh, and look, now you're ringing. Now I'm ringing the person, now you're ringing the bell. Crispy and juicy. Crispy and juicy. Now you. Crispy and juicy, now you're having a snack. Ooh, super spicy. It's a lava. Train's coming. I'm not gonna make it in time. Ooh, slightly. Now I'm gonna kill myself. Yo, why'd you need to get... Sorry, guys. Mamacita, now you're cursing the bell. You'll get on the trucks before you get run over. You're going to get rammed. Oh my god. Oh, bro, got crusty. I hate my life. What the Sigma? Yeah, I think he done that on purpose. I'm gonna walk down here. Ooh, Mamacita, now you gotta push bacons and kiss the bacons. Now jump! Stop fucking! Oh, I'm gonna get rammed. There's no... Oh god, I'm scared. Ooh, Mamacita, now you're ringing the bell. Crispy and juicy, now I'm gonna kiss your fucking... Ooh, now I'm gonna... No, there's a noob on the tractor with a noob. Oh, replay that clip. Yo, bro, replay that clip. I just got rotten. That was... Replay that clip of me just getting rammed. Yo, that was unbelievable. Replay that clip of... Look, I was in space. What the... Is that him? What the signal? Is the train coming? There we go. Bro got hit by the train. Why are you stuck in the roof? Bro, stuck in the roof. Oh, but the train! Sassy, asshole, sassy. I'm not gonna get hit. My arm might get taken off though. Oh my god, I'm stuck in the ground. Can you stop trying to push me? I'm trying to save people. Well, technically not, but... Oh, there's a train! Get away. Fuck you. You thought you could be rich. barely 200, 1 quadrillion IQ, but no, you will be one IQ big brain, 1 small brain. Oh, how do we get around? Hey, yo, what the? Again. And I pushed it down. Oh, right on the track, stupid. Push the girl down. Oh, no. Please, no! I've been broken hearted again like 50 billion times. Bro tried to push me when I was dead. Not gonna happen. When they're gonna come? Bro, you're gonna get rammed up behind you! Are you trying to push me? Oh my god. Oh, bro's trying to push me. Ain't no way, that was not a train, that was a truck that just got rammed there. No. Oh, bro got ran over. Push him on the tracks, Jesus Christ. No, safe. Push him on the tracks. There you go, save 1 person. Yo, you can't do that to noobs. Oh, no, the noob. Jump to the left. Oh my god. I keep getting run over by trucks. You know, I'm gonna push the noob on. I'm gonna push the noob then. Oh! Is there a thing coming? The noob! Come on! Oh! You're not trying to push me into the train, you idiot. Because I'm not gonna get pushed. John Joe Jr. Someone is called that. Oh my god, bro, who the frick? Oh my Jesus. Bro, do not. Oh my god, what are you pushing me for? If you don't, I don't know why I pushed you. I did it! Oh! Okay. I'm gonna get right in front of the tree. Bro, I just put my head first onto the tracks. Jesus. 3, 2, 1. Push me. Oh! John Joe Jr. 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 Sorry. What is this noise? Oh, heck no. She was not moving now. What the fuck? I'm dead. What the fuck? I'm not dead. What the fuck? I am dead. What the fuck? She the heck? I'm reporting her. Where's this red one? I'm trying to report her. But there's too many people, I don't even know what one is here. Oh! Are you serious right now? Are you serious, bro? I didn't get killed. Oh no, I could have got killed then, but now I will. Oh, where am I? Where is my crown gone? You stop! Fuck. Onto the tracks. Onto the tracks. Oh my god, bro bounced. So I knew. Oh! Bro, we're stuck inside the tracks for some reason. Jump track. Oh! Sorry. Get there. I'm not meant to be saving people. I'm meant to be pushing people. I don't push people, alright, in real life. I kind of do push people, but not people in train station. Oh my god, bro, I'm almost dead. Push the worker new back on the track. The second the train comes, they push me on. Oh my god. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.